Hello children, today in English for Standard 4, we are going to learn a new lesson, Ryukin and the Starfish. Now children, this lesson is a fable. Now what are fables? Yes, you have already learned it earlier in English. Fables are nothing but short stories that have a moral or message for us. Something to learn and keep in mind as we grow up. So let's read and understand as to what message do we learn from this lesson. Now I'll read and explain you the lesson. Ryukin was a monk who lived in Japan. He was a well-known teacher and a poet and a calligrapher. So in this paragraph, we understand that there is a monk. Now who is a monk? Monk means a man belonging to a religious community. And this monk lived in Japan. He was a well-known teacher and a poet and a calligrapher. Calligrapher means someone who knows the art of fine handwriting. Now let's read the next paragraph. One day, he was walking on the beach and he saw that hundreds of starfish had been washed ashore in a storm. The storm had blown over the starfish were dying in the hot sun. Ryukin began to pick up the starfish one by one. He threw them back in the sea. So in this paragraph we understand that one day when this monk, whose name was Ryukin, was walking on a beach, he saw that hundreds of starfish have been washed ashore in a storm. Ashore means on the shore. And the storm had blown over the starfish and they were dying in the hot sun. And Ryukin felt very bad about this, looking at this sight. So he started picking up the starfish one by one and he started throwing them back in the sea. Now let's read and understand what happened next. What's the use? Said his disciple, who was watching Ryukin. There are hundreds of fish dying. Throwing back a few of them will not make any difference. Ryukin picked up another fish. It will make a difference to this little fish, said Ryukin, throwing the fish back into the sea. So from here we understand that one of his disciples who was watching Ryukin as to what he was doing, he saw and he questioned him as to what is he doing and what is the use of that. Disciple means a follower of a teacher. And he told Ryukin that there are hundreds of fish which are dying in the hot sun. Throwing back a few will not make any difference. But Ryukin continued doing the work, what he wanted to do. He started picking up the fish and he started throwing them back into the sea. So he picked up another fish and he threw it into the sea. And Ryukin said to the disciples that it won't make any difference for you and me, but it makes a lot of difference for this little fish when I throw them back into the sea. So from this story, the moral what we get is when help is needed, it is important to give whatever help you can give. So although in small ways you can help a person who is really in need, so it doesn't make any difference that it is a small help. And the most important thing is whatever small help you are giving, that plays a very important role as to how the person needs and gets that help. I hope you have understood the lesson and enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye.